Welcome to Oxford County Library's tutorial on how to use our Ontario Exam Bank resource. Ontario Exam Bank is designed to give students the opportunity to gain confidence in their grasp of curriculum material and a great way to prepare for testing and examination. We have exams available from kindergarten to grade 12, as also in English and in French. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to our Oxford County Library website, which is ocl.net, and this is what our website looks like. The next step is to click on our Explore Online Resources tab. Just by hovering over it, you'll see several resources available below, but you'll want to click on our Research Databases link. From here, you'll see a large list of our online resources, but the one that you'll want to click on next is Ontario Exam Bank under All Databases. Okay, and this is what Ontario Exam Bank looks like. You'll see down the left-hand side, we have a list of all of the grades starting in English, followed by French. So just to get an idea of what this website will do for you, we'll just start on grade 9. So here you'll see a list of courses available with tests. If we go down the page, you will find it starts with English, grade 9 academic, and the tests are set up in different areas of English, so might be broken down by subject area or a particular novel. And it also has definitions or spelling or language. With grade 9 math, we have academic and applied, as well as with science. You can see that you can take courses or the entire course test, or you can take tests on particular areas. There are other courses available, such as geography, healthy active living, as well as Catholic religious education. If you navigate to the grade 11 or grade 12 grades, you'll notice that the courses are broken down by university preparation, also by college preparation or workplace preparation. There are a lot more tests available in the higher grades, and these are very helpful for test prep or examination preparation. As you scroll down, you'll see a lot of different areas that you can test yourself on, or you can choose to click on the links at the top. So from here, let's take an example test to see how it works. We'll do biology, grade 11. We'll start the test. So here we have the test, which is opened up in another tab. We're going to be doing a grade 11 biology test with just 10 randomized questions. I'm just going to randomly go through and pick some answers so we can see what it looks like. The tests are completely anonymous, and it's just for your own personal use. We'll submit our answers. So here you can see we actually scored 5 out of 10, so we got a 50%. Tells you how long it took you to take the course, and you have the option to do it over again. Here you can also see a breakdown of the answers, correct or incorrect, which will help you see what areas you might need a little bit more work on. You can also see at the below, if you did well on a test, you can put your initials in, and you'll be entered into the top score list, where it will show Oxford County Library and your initials. You're also able to send your test results to someone else, whether that's a parent or a teacher, and that's just for your own personal use. Thank you for following the tutorial on using Ontario Exam Bank. Please just note that you do have to come to an Oxford County Library branch and use one of our branch computers to be able to access these tests.